So roughly between 50 to 55% is our carbohydrate intake. We all are, we all Indians are more of carbohydrate eaters, or maybe our base is carbohydrate. Okay, so what comes under carbohydrate is your rice, chapati, or different type of flours, just say jawar, bajra, all those things included in this carbohydrate. And this protein plays a vital role, and it is still just required between 20 to 25%. So from where we get this protein we get from milk and milk product, we get from all this dal and usal. Okay, and we even get protein from non-vegetarian sources, eggs and all non-veg sources. So what does this protein do? So it is most important macronutrient. Why macro ज़्यादा लगता है हमें, that is why. So this is, it has a 20% inclusion in our diet, 20 to 25. So it is macronutrient for our body, and it plays a vital role in building our immunity, because all our cells, all our DNAs are made up of this protein part. Okay, so all this protein requirement is usually divided per person as per their body weight. Okay, so when you say you require, when I'm saying you require 20 to 25% of this protein, so how to calculate your own protein? I will stop sharing screen so that I can talk to you. Yes. Okay, so can you all see me now? Yeah.
Yes.
So how much protein is required is 1 gram per kg body weight. So 1 gram per kg body weight, then you have to calculate. If you are weighing 60 kgs, then your requirement is between 50 to 60 grams of protein. Okay, so how to incorporate this protein in your diet? And for one person, if it is not feasible, like somebody says that milk मुझे नहीं पचता है, milk से मुझे तकलीफ होती है, I get pains or something like that, or maybe high protein diet for elderly can also become a problem. Then how to choose your protein? So milk and milk products, this is a wise way to choose protein, क्योंकि मिल्क और मिल्क प्रोडक्ट जो है वो पूरी तरह से डाइजेस्ट और एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है अपने बॉडी में, एंड यू गेट 100% प्रोटीन आउट ऑफ इट. Second is eggs, which gives you 100% protein. And then third, I can say your dal and usal is third, because again it doesn't have some amino acids. It's a technical term, amino acid, मगर वो पूरा protein है नहीं. 100% protein हम दाल और usal को नहीं समझते. But then if you combine it with rice or dal, rice or chapati, then it becomes complete protein. So overcooking for elderly is overcooking those dal, or combining dal with moong dal, tur dal, masoor dal. अगर ये कॉम्बिनेशन आप लोग लेते हो तो आपके लिए और फायदेमंद है वो. ठीक है. सो मगर रफली अगर आपका जो वेट है उसको आपने 1 ग्राम से मल्टीप्लाई करके यू हैव टू ईट योर प्रोटीन. अल्टीमेटली व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज, हम लोग जो चपाती और राइस का इंटेक हमारा ज्यादा होता है, उससे ज्यादा हमें फोकस करना है अपने प्रोटीन डाइट पे, because it is also in this COVID situation, it is going to help you in increasing your immunity. Okay, so anybody want to talk about this proteins, and do you want to ask me anything about this? You have to unmute yourself.
Yes, I want to ask you.
Yes, please.
Can I ask you?
Yes.
See, if you're 70, if I am 70 years old and I weigh 65 kgs, 65 grams of protein is too high, I think.
Too much for you. Yes, it is too much for you.
40 to 40.
That's why it again becomes case to case, it differs, and again other physiological condition, it also differs according to that. So what we do, for minimum at least 0.6 to 0.7 gram of protein per kg body weight, that there you should start calculating. And then the sources, what I have already told you, you have to choose those sources. Okay, if you feel like milk is giving you problem, so most of the time if milk is not, you are not able to, it is intolerance or something like that, in that case we ask them to have curd, yogurt in fresh form. Okay, so that also gives you a good amount of protein. So if you calculate between 0.6 multiplied by 65 kgs, then also the utilization of protein will be 100% if you go for first class protein. So first class protein is your milk and egg. Okay, so it is going to help you. So 1 gram is standard. If someone is sturdy and doing, it also depends on the activities what that person is doing. So in that way, but still you have to start somewhere between 0.6 to 1 gram tak jana chahiye.
How to measure the protein?
So how to measure the protein? So I can share a document with Rajiv. He will share with you all. But basically, I will tell you with the Katori measurement. I can tell you that 1 gram of your milk, 1 glass of milk gives you around 8 grams of protein. Okay, 1 glass 200 ml of milk will give you 8 grams of protein. 1 curd 50 gram, 1 katori 50 gram curd will give you between 4 to 5 grams of protein. So these are the basic amount of protein which this ingredient has, which I will share it with Rajiv. Otherwise also dal, if we can count, so 1 katori dal is around 30 to 50 gram, depend on the size of katori. From that also we get 4 grams of protein.
Okay.
And it gives you fullness. Dal वगैरह खाने के बाद you feel full very soon. That is why I'm little bit stressing that you go for the first class protein to complete your protein requirement of the day.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, Sally. So if you can share it, so we have the members WhatsApp group, so we can send it across to the members group.
Yes. I can share it with you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah?
Which dal has got maximum protein?
So it is between 4 to 5 grams. Matlab 1 gram protein gives you between 4 to 5 grams of 1 gram of dal gives you between 4 to 5 grams of this thing protein. So maximum उससल और दाल का 4 to 5 ग्राम के आगे पीछे होता है, उससे ज्यादा डिफरेंस है नहीं. दाल की जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पे it has a different effect, but the protein part doesn't make more of a difference. So
Okay.
In this age, I will suggest you go for combination with moong dal, whichever dal you feel like eating, like tur dal hai ya fir anything, even if you feel like rajma वगैरह, chole rajma, if some in any of the family regularly banta hoga, still go for the combination. If छोले बने हैं घर में तो मूंग दाल भी बननी चाहिए और वो कॉम्बिनेशन तुम लोग खा सकते हो. It has different effect on your digestive system, but grammage of protein will not change.
Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, I think you can move on to the other slide. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So okay.
Yes.
So vitamin A also plays a vital role. And from where we get vitamin A we get from all color vegetables and fruits. Okay, and it regenerates our epithelial layer of the cell. So epithelial layer of the cell matlab jaisa the way our body structure is, in the same way our cell structures are also there. So जो अपने epithelial layer जो होता है अपने body का, जो skin के नीचे वाला है, वो regeneration में it helps. Okay, so that is why vitamin A is very important. Again, this vitamin A is fat soluble. इसीलिए fat की जरूरत ज्यादा होती है to utilize this vitamin A in our body. Okay, if somebody is on fat restricted diet, in that people vitamin A deficiency has been noticed. Okay, milk and milk product and eggs also gives you good amount of vitamin A. ठीक है. So basically जो protein के sources है वही sources में you are going to get maximum amount of nutrient. So it is all together we can calculate accordingly. That is why when I start suggesting, we usually start with 1 gram of protein per kg body weight. मतलब उनका कोई deficiency रहता नहीं है, because it is also a source of many other multiple nutrients. Okay. एक सेकेंड ना, I will अभी वापस मैं स्क्रीन बंद करती हूँ and I will talk to you all. Okay, anything you all want to ask about vitamin A? So क्या होता है? From where you get, I have already told you. उसके roles है regeneration of cells. Okay, तो old age में degeneration बहुत ज़्यादा होते रहता है, breakdown cells का बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, ठीक है? So for these people, regeneration and repairing जो होता है, अंदर के अंदर जो repairing होता है, that happens with the help of vitamin A. So उसका deficiency नहीं होना भी मतलब it is good sign. इसलिए कभी फैट बहुत ज्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना है या फिर घी नहीं खाना है, don't go for all this kind of this kind of diets. Again, it also plays a major role in protecting your body and increasing your immunity. Why? Because our immunity cells are also built up, and vitamin A also gives a good source to increase your immunity with the help of the nutrient present in that. So it is okay, right? English language ठीक है या shall I be in Hindi, Marathi? Shall I mix it?
No, you have to speak in Hindi and English only.
हाँ, तो मतलब I think so, समझ रहा है ना? नहीं समझता है तो you can any time मतलब पूछ सकते हो. कभी-कभी कोई terminologies है वो use करनी पड़ती है. Yes.
Hindi, English, both we are understanding.
Okay, great. So let me know.
So we have members, Sally, we have members from Mumbai, Pune and Kolkata. All.
Yeah. Yes. I know few of them. I have counseled them. Many of them.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So I will move on to next slide. कुछ पूछना है vitamin A के बारे में? Don't go for otherwise vitamin A वगैरह के supplements भी available है. So वो supplements डॉक्टर को पूछे बिना नहीं लेने हैं. ठीक है? Random कोई भी supplements लेने हैं नहीं. Natural form में आपको अच्छी तरह से मिल सकता है.
Vitamin A is good for the eyesight also?
Yes, of course. That's the basic deficiency, but yeah. It is good for eyesight also. That's why we focus more on proteins, because then vitamin A deficiency usually hota nahi hai usme. When your protein requirement is matched, then in that case, koi deficiency dikhta nahi hai in any age group, I can say. Yeah, chalo.
Yeah. So anyone has any questions, they can just unmute and speak to Saili.
Can you suggest any chart that which are the media of vitamin A can be taken?
Sources,
like 60 kg weight. Like I'm representing my mom, so she is 60 kg. So for that.
So for vitamin A, this measurement won't work. It is only for macronutrients. जो मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट होते हैं, जैसे मैंने कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट बोला है, उसके जो मेजरमेंट्स होते हैं ना, उसके हम लोग सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर विटामिन ए दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. इसीलिए हम लोग जो प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट आपको बोला है, अगर वो आप अच्छे तरह से लेते हो, देन देयर इज नो नीड टू मेजर इट, एंड इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेजर बाय लेमैन.
Okay. Right.
ठीक है.
Thank you.
Yes. So next is vitamin C and high fiber diet. So अभी ये दोनों का combination बनाया है just because it is also good in high fiber. जो sources है vitamin C के, वो सारे fiber में भी they are good. So what does this vitamin C do? It plays a crucial role in increasing our oxidative stress and also to increase immunity. It's a kind of army for our body. मगर जैसे vitamin A और vitamin C है, so vitamin C cannot be stored in our body. Vitamin A को हम store कर सकते हैं थोड़ा बहुत, मगर विटामिन सी को स्टोर नहीं कर सकते. इट्स अ वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन. ठीक है. और इसके सोर्सेस बहुत अलग है. जैसे अपना लाइम जूस, ऑरेंजेस, दीज आर द सोर्सेस. बट बेसिक और जो जिसमें से विटामिन सी कभी भी कोई भी फॉर्म में चेंज नहीं होता है, दैट इज इंडियन गूसबेरी, विच इज आंवला. सो आप आंवला किसी भी फॉर्म में खाओ. आंवला खाने से, I will stop the screen. Okay, आंवला you have in any form, उसका विटामिन सी का कंटेंट बिल्कुल कम नहीं होता है. So even if you are having amla in form of supari, or even you are having in form of achar, or just raw amla or amla juice, that too amla juice जो घर पे बना होता है, not the one Patanjali wala what you get outside. It has many preservatives. मगर the one we make it at home, you can just use as salt as a preservative, and you can keep it in refrigerator for a long time. ठीक है. सो वो 3 चम्मच लेने से भी आपको उतना ही फायदा होने वाला है. और जो भी एक्स्ट्रा है, इट इज गोइंग टू थ्रो आउट ऑफ योर बॉडी. सो विटामिन सी इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी के आर्मी के लिए, टू इम्प्रूव इम्यूनिटी एंड ऑल्सो फॉर मेनी अदर एस्पेक्ट्स. ओके. सो मतलब अपना जो यूजुअल स्ट्रेस होता है, ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस, मतलब आपकी बीमारी हो या फिर व्हाटएवर वेदर कंडीशंस हो, ये सारी चीजों का जो अल्टीमेटली बॉडी में स्ट्रेस आता है, दैट आल्सो हेल्प्स टू, वो भी कम हो जाता है ड्यू टू sufficient amount of vitamin C in your diet. Okay, so that is one thing. Then एक second, let me finish, फिर हम बात करते हैं. And fiber, what does it do? It gives you a good amount of digestion and absorption also happens. And secondly, it also improves your gut microbial flora. So वो क्या होता है, जो there are many micro organisms which are present in your gut, जो पेट में होते हैं, which helps to digest and absorb your food what you are eating. So उसका जो फ्लोरा है वो मेंटेन करने के लिए भी हमें गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फाइबर खाना होता है. जैसे फल है तो बहुत छोटा छोटा काट के खाना नहीं है, या फिर फल का फ्रूट्स का जूस नहीं लेना है. इट इज बेटर यू हैव कंप्लीट फ्रूट. सो इसके ये दोनों तीनों फायदे हैं. ठीक है. और ओल्ड एज में वाटर इनटेक बहुत कम होने की वजह से इट इज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कॉन्स्टिपेशन बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लम, और डाइजेस्टिव गैसेस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. सो इसके लिए अगर आप फ्रूट का जो फाइबर यूज करते हैं, देन इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू गेट मेनी अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स. एंड फाइबर एंड विटामिन सी both is going to give you good amount of I mean good help for your gut, I can say. ठीक है. yes, कोई बात कर रहा था.
The question was Saili, ये जो आंवला का जो मुरब्बा होता है या जो अचार होता है, is that
good? Yeah, that is also good. Murabba is also good, and that can be मतलब 1 or 2 spoons. Unless and until diabetes है तो avoid करो. Diabetes नहीं है तो you can go ahead for this sweet preparations as well.
What about
and
oats?
hypertensive लोगों को फिर थोड़ा सा प्रिवेंटिव केयर के हिसाब से सॉल्टेड फॉर्म जो आते हैं वो नहीं लेने हैं. So it is better to go for the आंवला जूस. तो जो डिसीज कंडीशंस है उस हिसाब से थोड़ा सा you have to choose a form.
yeah,
What about oats?
Oats is good in fiber, not about vitamin C. It is good in fiber. It also helps to improve your microbial flora. Magar again, it's a carbohydrate, so the flora will increase. ठीक है. उसके डाइजेशन का प्रोसेस अलग है, और फ्रूट फाइबर के डाइजेशन का प्रोसेस अलग है. प्रोसेस भी अलग है और बेनिफिट्स भी अलग है.
Now in COVID, everybody is.
Guava. It is the cheapest and the good source of vitamin C.
Which one?
Guava, amrud.
Guava is also guava is the cheapest. Again, it's an Indian fruit. It's the cheapest. Amla is also cheapest actually, but with guava and
लेकिन आंवला इतना नहीं खाया जाता है.
क्या?
आंवला इतना नहीं खा सकते हैं ना. गुआवा तो खा सकते हैं. आंवला बहुत खट्टा लगता है.
Seeds in older leaves ये problem हो जाता है. Those seeds and chewing again becomes a problem. So guava अगर बताते हैं तो people go for guava juice. So इसीलिए for elderlies we don't usually give this option. मगर yes, it's a good source. पका हुआ you can eat and उसके seeds भी they are very helpful again for digestion. मगर then that this is one of the dentures is a main problem for elderlies. Yes. Yeah. Anything else?
Now in Corona time,
No,
everyone is
thanks.
suggesting for vitamin C.
So
Vitamin C
normally
take.
also extra vitamin C अगर आप लेते हो ना तो it is going to get out of your body in same day. बिल्कुल स्टोर नहीं होता है वो. और विटामिन सी सो अल्टीमेटली क्या हो रहा है अभी लोग न्यूट्रिशन पे ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं. दीज आर रेगुलर प्रैक्टिसेस. दिस शुड बी देयर इन योर डाइट रेगुलरली टू फाइट एनी इन्फेक्शन. मगर क्या है अभी डर डर के फिर अल्टीमेटली होम रेमेडीज पे आ गए क्योंकि बाहर मेडिसिन लेने जाने में भी तकलीफ है. एंड देन आयुर्वेदा सपोर्ट इज आल्सो देयर एंड इट इज ऑल इंडियन साइंस. सो पीपल आर मोर बिकमिंग हेल्थ कॉन्शियस. मगर विटामिन सी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट पहले भी था और अभी भी है. मैडम आई कांट हियर यू. यू हैव टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Oh, she left क्या? Okay, someone was asking. Joya करके था कोई. Joya's iPhone. Rajiv, can you unmute her? Joya's iPhone.
Joya Sengupta, yes, let me try.
हाँ, वो कुछ बात.
Geeta actually also raised her hand. Geeta ma'am, if you have something to ask, you can ask. You have raised your
Rajiv,
hand.
I can't hear you. हाँ. I will go to next slide. I was not able to hear you.
Now you can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Yes.
I was saying, what about the daily nimbu?
हाँ, limbu lime is there ना. 2 चम्मच lime juice is also 2 चम्मच lime juice we can suggest or you can have.
Okay.
Yes, it's a very good source.
So
Okay.
that is.
So next is, yeah. So next is about cruciferous vegetables. So what Indian cruciferous vegetables we have and which are the best sources? These are our white radish. मूली जो मिलती है. मूली is a very good source of cruciferous vegetable and cauliflower and even broccoli. So basically ये तीनों vegetables बहुत easily available है अभी Indian market में. Other salad vegetables are there मगर सारे दुकानों में या सारे मार्ट्स में मिलेगा नहीं. ठीक है. So what they have specifically, they are good source of vitamin A also and vitamin C also. Okay. It also helps in increasing अभी phytonutrients मतलब जो plants से हमें nutrient मिलते हैं comparatively they have good source and they are good in many other nutrients. So or I can say वो compound nutrient उनमें होता है मतलब काफी सारे nutrients होते हैं. सिर्फ सैलेड करके है नहीं या सिर्फ वाटर ही है नहीं वो. ठीक है. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन प्रोटेक्टिंग डीएनए सेल डैमेज. तो डीएनए डैमेज जो इन्फेक्शन से होता है वो डैमेज प्रोटेक्ट करने की एबिलिटी ये व्हाइट वाले रेडिश में है, कॉलीफ्लावर में है और ब्रोकली में है. ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट, ये तीनों वेजिटेबल अगर हफ्ते में 2 बार भी तुम लोगों ने इंक्लूड किए डाइट में देन ऑल्सो इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर यू. Okay, so how to include? You can prepare a vegetable, you can prepare paratha, you can prepare soup out of it. कॉलीफ्लावर के तो काफी सारे यूज है मतलब इवन पाव भाजी में अगर डालते हो तो भी उसका फंक्शन वही होने वाला है. ठीक है. सो yes, so this is how you can utilize cruciferous vegetables in your diet. So again in rainy season cauliflower and broccoli का एक प्रॉब्लम होता है कि उसमें worms निकलते हैं. So in that case washing them properly in warm water. Again in COVID vegetable wash करने की भी एक जो process है, जैसे आपने पहले normal पानी से wash किया है then put it in salt water, rock salt water. So rock salt water में रखते हो, you have to keep it for a while then remove that water and then again wash with normal water. Okay, so this is how you have to follow. Secondly, green leafy vegetables जो है उससे आपने salt water में नहीं रखना है. You have to wash those vegetables with salt water. We don't keep it in that water because it has, by default it has sodium, and then उसका sodium content भी बढ़ने के chances होते हैं, इसीलिए don't put it in salt water. Okay. All right. Shall I go to next slide, or anyone has to ask anything on this? Shall I move ahead, Rajiv?
Yeah, I don't see anyone has any questions.
Yes. It is something new for everyone about cruciferous vegetable, और ये सब सबको पता है नहीं. Okay. So again, Indian kitchens में लहसुन होता है. आज ये जो लेमन ग्रास है, which can be grown in house, मतलब normal pot में भी लगा सकते हो. So that is also in some houses it is of course there. Those who are good in gardening या फिर weather conditions है supportive. वैसे ginger garlic तो by default होता है, हल्दी अपने यहाँ use करते ही है. तुलसी and neem is actually readily available. किसी के घर में तुलसी होते भी है. If not, it is readily available somewhere. पड़ोस में कहीं ना कहीं तो मिल ही जाएगा. So this is all we call it as antiviral kitchen. So you have to make maximum use of this garlic, ginger, tulsi leaves, lemon, everything. So now what does this turmeric do? It has curcumin करके उसमें एक ingredient होता है. So that kind of a chemical I can say, मतलब vegetable phytonutrient again. So it helps in protecting and boosting immunity of our body. So that is also one of the reason कि Indians में जो भी COVID के DNAs है, those are different than what we have seen in other countries. Okay, because we actually eat all these things regularly in our diet. So wherever we go, okay, not just in India, outside also when we go, we still cook for ourselves. Every day we can't eat outside. And second is garlic. Garlic also has antiviral as well as antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties उसमें होता है. So इसीलिए garlic का usage भी अच्छे से between 5 to 6 cloves दिन में उतना तो use होना ही चाहिए. Ginger is also got antiviral properties. Again, it is good in काढ़ा. What we asked to add a little. बहुत ज़्यादा से गर्मी भी पड़ सकती है, so a little. Lemongrass is also one of the phytonutrients, and neem and tulsi has all medicinal effects. So even in this next slide which I will show you with the recipe of काढ़ा, जिसमें आप ये सब add कर सकते हो. So आपको ये सब एक साथ खाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can use it in your daily diet, but in whatever, मतलब not together. So किसी रेसिपी में जिंजर गार्लिक डाल दिया है, किसी रेसिपी में like काढ़ा what I'm going to show you, उसमें तुलसी leaves डाल दिए. Even neem extract also you get outside nowadays. That you can add a drop of neem extract, also helps in water. It also helps in boosting immunity. So you can use it in different form, but you have to think over it and at least try to use all these antiviral ingredient in your diet, in your daily diet. Anything want to ask about this?
I want to ask one question. I have
Yes.
an ajwain plant. Can I use
Yes.
ajwain leaves in the cooking the food?
Yes, you can use. Again, it is good for digestion also. And whenever your digestion is good, the absorption property of any of the antiviral or कोई भी nutrient का absorption property बहुत अच्छा होता है. So you can even use ajwain water to, मतलब वो leaves आप पानी में रखते हो ना, then also you get a good flavor out of it and the results are also good. So वो पत्ते भी use कर सकते हो. ajwain का पानी भी you can drink a glass of ajwain water. We usually suggest to boosting your metabolism.
So just soak it and keep it, or do we boil the leaves with the water?
No, you
Or-
can just soak it and keep it. Don't boil it. Not required. वो कड़वा हो जाएगा boil करने से.
Acha. Okay.
Yes.
What about Jains? They cannot use all these things. They cannot
What?
use garlic. They cannot use turmeric. They cannot use.
So for Jain, I would say not everything, but few of the antiviral things they can use. And otherwise also in India we get many herbs, but this is something which is readily and easily available. मगर काफी सारी चीजें हैं, इवन कोरिएंडर आल्सो प्लेज अ गुड रोल. अभी लेमन ग्रास सब में फाइटोन्यूट्रिएंट्स है. टर्मरिक इज द बेसिक जो जैन्स भी यूज करते हैं. So even if they use 3-4 from all these things, there is a list of antiviral food in Indian scenario which we can give and which is being used in Ayurvedic medicines. बस इतना ही है कि वो readily available होने चाहिए, not in the medicinal form, in natural form.
Natural form.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
So I will go to next slide. Okay, so now nuts and oil seeds, these are also very good source of proteins. So this is also something is going to give us protein. Handful of nuts, either in mid morning or mid evening, kabhi bhi you can have it in the form of snacks. भूख लगने के बाद this is one of the best source what you can have, which will give you satiety. पेट भी भर सकता है उससे अच्छे से, and it is full of nutrients. तो अभी आपको इसमें natural oils जो होते हैं, जैसे almond oil हम लोग use करते हैं, olive oil use करते हैं, मगर itself in olive, itself in almond, itself in walnut, it has good amount of oil. उसी से extract करके हमें वो oil मिलता है. So if you have this good form of oil, so बिना process किए आपको मिल रहा है. And again as I said, fat soluble vitamins जो होते हैं उसका absorption बहुत अच्छा होता है if you go for this kind of nuts as your snacks. इसका intake आपकी daily diet में होना बहुत जरूरी है. एक तो बहुत अच्छा प्रोटीन भी मिलने वाला है, विटामिन ए का good source है, oil की good sources है, and even fiber. It also has good amount of fiber. So flax seeds is famous for its fiber and omega-3 properties. ठीक है? So nuts तो आपने मतलब you try to incorporate in your daily diet mixed nut, handful or feast of nuts, and even this sesame seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. I will not say about chia seeds, but tulsi seeds is also almost similar. Chia seed को हम tulsi seed से replace कर सकते हैं. So these all seeds you have to use in your daily diet. So either in form of soft के form में use कर सकते हो, या फिर you can prepare kind of mixture और चटनी वगैरह जैसे भी बना सकते हो. But you have to incorporate again both the sources for good amount of oil in, and even good amount of protein intake. And fiber is also good in all these things. So macronutrients तो ये सब है, और micronutrients तो बहुत सारे हैं. Okay. Okay. Anything you want to ask about this nuts and oil seeds? So इसका feast मतलब around 15 ग्राम तक आपका intake होना चाहिए. So उसमें combination almonds, walnuts, and काजू a little bit. काजू का intake थोड़ा कम होता है, उसमें थोड़ा कम रहता तो चलेगा, मगर then pistachio should be there. ठीक है. And have I missed anything in nuts? Almost everything I covered. So and raisins, black raisins or normal raisins.
What about peanuts?
Peanuts, a handful of peanuts you can't have. But peanuts can be used in other way. मतलब कोई vegetable में gravies में भी add कर सकते हो, या फिर in other form like in chutney form. But if
peanuts,
if
one can roast the peanuts in it.
Yeah, one can. So there are few families जिसमें peanut gravies में वगैरह ज़्यादा use होता है. If someone is not using it in that form, they can add it in this nuts and they can have it. ठीक है. So it can be roasted again. It can be coated with many things, and you can have it as snacks. Even all these things you can do the coating. जैसे salted नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं, मगर different kind of coating, जैसे chocolate वाला coating भी है, ये काफी कुछ कर सकते हो, and you can have it. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Rita ma'am, do you want to ask something? You're smiling.
I said we can put it in poha also. That's what I was saying.
हाँ, पोहा
You can
nuts तो
poha,
न, ये अपना इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट में नट्स काफी इसमें ऐड होता है, इसलिए हम यूजुअली नट्स को वी डोंट कैलकुलेट इन मतलब पीनट्स को वी डोंट कैलकुलेट इन दिस नॉर्मल फीस्टफुल ऑफ नट्स बिकॉज समवेयर और अदर वी यूज दोस नट्स, समवेयर चटनी ही बनी है घर में, कुछ ना कुछ बना होता है ऑलरेडी, सो इसलिए हम उसमें कैलकुलेट नहीं करते. मगर सॉरी,
is peanut butter good?
it is good, but again it has lot of sugar, it has lot of oil, so for that purpose sometime it is better for a change, but not every time.
Not every time. Okay.
Yeah.
Or Calcutta, if you travel anywhere, Sally, you get salted peanut in packets, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Wherever you train, bus, metro, wherever.
Snack, yeah, it's a good snack. Yeah.
So
Chalo,
chia seed is the good, no?
Yeah, it is good. मगर chia seed available होना नहीं हो तो you can replace it with your tulsi seeds as well. मिलते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है, तो इसीलिए हमने ये combination रखा है, chia seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower.
Just simply chewing chia seeds.
Yeah, many people do that.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Chia seeds, flax seeds, usually sesame, pumpkin और sunflower seeds इतना यूज नहीं होता है, मगर flax seeds और chia seeds काफी यूज होता है. sesame भी कितना अपना जनवरी दिसंबर जैन में ज्यादा यूज होता है, नॉट इन मतलब ऐसे पूरा साल भर यूज होगा ऐसे दिखता नहीं है, बट देन चटनी या कुछ सॉफ के साथ ऐड करके अगर आप पोस्ट लंच पोस्ट डिनर खाते हो ना, देन ऑल्सो इट इज गुड. You can prepare a combination of it and you can have it.
As a mouth freshener.
Yeah, mouth fresheners, kind of that. Okay, so I will move to this next part is about high antioxidants. So green tea is one of which gives you, it's again a boosting, and it will give you good amount of antioxidant. It has a good amount of antioxidant properties, but then if it is not available or if someone don't like it, then it.
So, Sally, we can't see your screen.
You can't see? Okay,
No.
wait.
Yes, now it has come up. Yes.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay, so even if green tea क्या सबको अच्छा लगता है ऐसे नहीं, or someone is used to having अपना normal tea, so they don't go for green tea. People don't like, everyone is not used to or fond of green tea. So what again, as per our antiviral properties, what we can do is we can morning में एक lukewarm water लेना है, उसमें एक glass भर के और उसमें pinch of haldi you have to add, and you can drink it empty stomach. So it also helps to increase your antioxidant and also antiviral, antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties by default उसमें है ही. And secondly, it also helps in increasing your metabolism. Okay, so there are many benefits. So you can go ahead with this kind of drink also in the morning. Okay, again in this COVID situation, we keep telling everyone ke basi, stale food, don't have it. Try to have freshly prepared, freshly cooked food at home, because again it has different effect on your body. So वही सब्जी अभी बनी हुई और वही सब्जी अगर मैं कल खाती हूँ तो वो सब्जी के प्रॉपर्टीज काफी चेंज होते हैं, ठीक है, and it doesn't give you that much amount of nutrient what it will give you now when you cook it and have it. So it has been always suggested कि freshly cooked food ही खाओ. Okay, anything about this?
2 times though we don't cook, we always cook once in the morning and have the same thing at night. So is that also reducing the nutrients?
Yes.
It is.
Yes, it is. So and you know the properties, you all must be aware of the term sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. Okay, so when you keep it in refrigerator, so sattvic food will convert into rajasic food in the evening.
Okay.
Okay, so in that case, yes, the property changes. So that is why
Okay.
even if you are cooking little bit or kuch bhi which is easy to prepare, that you can keep it for evening. Okay, so try to do that if it is possible. And refrigerating always is not a good idea, but in this condition, if any of the physiological condition maids nahi hai aajkal, so people are doing all these things, but then ultimately it is going to affect our body. So थोड़ा soups form में या stew form में, salads अभी ज़्यादा नहीं, because of the weather condition and COVID भी काफी अच्छे से wash किए हुए salads हो तो ही हम suggest करेंगे, मगर बाकी जो soup stew form है, इसका preparation pressure cooker में अगर आप करके रखते हो, then you can have it. और something which will be quickly prepared in pressure cooker, वो आप शाम के time कर ले लो. So try to do something like that, adjustment. Yeah. And the same food, if you are having next day, then it becomes tamasic.
Okay.
So I'm just giving you example. Yeah, so I will move to next part.
So, Saili, one question was there on the chat. Green tea in empty stomach, is it okay?
Not actually suggested.
Okay.
It is not suggested कि have it now. मतलब पहले lukewarm water या normal, हम लोग तो ये भी बोलते हैं whenever you are hungry, then you have. And Indians has this, सबको आदत है चाय पीने की, मगर जितना कम कर सकते हो in this age, it is better. और क्या होता है, it has also pH value जो होता है, हम वो भी देखते हैं, तो वो भी differ करता है अगर empty stomach आप लेते हो. So इसीलिए we usually ask them not to have. You can have it any time in a day, but not empty stomach. So what we suggest you all to have alkaline food. Alkaline food say you get all kind of nutrients properly. So इसीलिए alkaline पे we have to focus, and it doesn't, green tea का उसमें नहीं आता है. Okay, shall I go ahead?
So if somebody has lemon water in the morning, warm water with lime, can haldi be added to it?
हाँ, it can be added. और उससे एक तो very first it will help you to cleanse your body.
Okay, both lemon and haldi we can use together. No problem.
Yes, you can use it together. You can use it together. Okay. Okay, I will go ahead with the next part. Okay, so now as I was telling you about the kada, if you can include it, and it is not compulsory. I mean, daily, abhi, because of weather conditions, if it is raining and if it is cold in your area, then it makes sense to have it daily. Otherwise, alternate day lete ho to bhi chalega. Magar if you are preparing this kada, don't have more than 50 ml. Okay, so these are the ingredient what we usually ask to include. Jaggery है, tulsi leaves है, mint है, you can add mint also, lemongrass is there, dalchini, you can add it in powder. You can use complete dalchini, मगर it should be very little, hardly आधा 1 gram के ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए. Even your clove should be 1 or 2. Jeshtamat, you get this Jeshtamat stick in medical, or you can get this powder also in general store or medical. Okay, and ginger. So this is the basic combination from where you can prepare a kada. किसी को वो काढ़े का टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं लगता है, then we ask them to add थोड़ा सा चाय पाउडर, चाय पत्ती, but usually if you avoid, then it is better. Okay, there are many different kind of kada recipes, and even Ayush, जो app बना हुआ है, they are also suggesting different kind of kadas. So those all are good. So basically Indian herbs ज़्यादा करके use हुए हैं, Indian medicinal plants and all this, जैसे ज्येष्ठमध है वैसे काफी use करके this kada preparations are there. So this is what we suggest. But if you have some combination, काढ़े के pouches भी मिल रहे हैं आजकल मार्केट में. So उसमें से हम 10 दिन की quantity वो लोग दे देते हैं. That also you can use, not a problem. But then again you have to see the weather condition and even your own condition to have that kada, and you are not supposed to have more than 50 ml of it. Okay.
So, Saili, one more question on the chat. Is it the still we have to take vitamin, zinc tablets if we take the nutrients in daily diet?
Then it is not required. But if you are having those supplements, then you have to continue till the time you are having all the nutrient consistently for 1 or 2 months, and you are going to continue it for long time. Okay. So if you are having all the proper combination of nutrient, then it is not required to have supplements. So why these supplements, zinc and all these supplements plays a major role in your neurotransmitters. So जो brain का wiring है ना, उसमें it plays a major role. So in that case, if you are going to having those zinc supplement, that it has a purpose to it and might be आपके डॉक्टर ने बताया होगा. But then you are not supposed to stop it अपने आप से, because there could be some reason. So zinc के जो भी ये sources है, वो आप रेगुलरली लेना शुरू करो. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइम मैंने 1-2 चम्मच ले लिया और उतना पूरा विटामिन सी मिल गया है. जिंक भी यू गेट फ्रॉम एग्स आल्सो. सो आपने एग खाया है मतलब आपको वो पूरा जिंक मिल गया है. बिल्कुल नहीं होता है सर, बिकॉज इट हैज सम अमाउंट डाइजेशन एब्जॉर्प्शन में उसका अमाउंट काफी रिड्यूस होता है. वो टोटल कैलकुलेशन होता है आपकी बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट कर रही है. ठीक है. So zinc and all these supplements, if you talk to your, you can talk to me also as a dietitian, and you can talk to Dr. Mukesh, physician से बात करके, then only you can decide about this.
I'm taking Becozinc 1 capsule per day. Is that all right?
So you are
Thank you,
having,
doctor.
have you consulted doctor? उन्होंने बताया है or you are having by yourself?
हमने तो वैसे ही चालू कर दिया, डॉक्टर से कंफर्म करेंगे. Becozinc 1 capsule per day.
It is okay, but then I will have, I need to know your other, your reports. I need to see all these things, and only I can suggest. आपके reports या फिर your routine and where it is lacking, ये सब मुझे पता होना चाहिए, तभी मैं confirm करूँगी.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Gopal, you had something. Mr. Gopal Gureja, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, I have a question about the importance of antioxidants.
So important of antioxidant, it reduces your oxidative stress. अभी antioxidant का मतलब क्या होता है? We inhale O2, right? Oxygen we inhale. But if that oxygen is there in single form, O1, which is dangerous for your body, it is dangerous in atmosphere as well. ठीक है. So when there are normal involuntary activities happening in your body, so involuntary activities मतलब आपका heart pump हो रहा है and your all organs are working by themselves. Even if when they keep on working, there are many cell breakdown happens. और ये cell breakdown जब होता है तब single oxygen molecule भी ready होते हैं अपने body में. So ये सिंगल ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल को किसी को कंबाइन करने की बहुत जरूरत होती है. वो सिंगल ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल, इफ यू हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट फूड, देन इट विल गेट कंबाइंड टू दैट सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल, एंड दिस इज हाउ योर बॉडी स्ट्रेस विल रिड्यूस. सो वो किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकते हैं. आप जो मेडिसिन ले रहे हो, वो मेडिसिन के भी काफी साइड इफेक्ट्स भी होते हैं. Any medicine, I'm saying any. So side effects भी हो सकते हैं, and there are some nutrient or some chemicals from that medicine. It is not required for your body. What will happen? It will get thrown out of your body, मगर it will pass through your body. So ये जो when it is passing through your body, then also there is a small amount of stress creating. So ये जो stress होता है वो oxygen molecule के form में होता है. Ultimately, we have to think about O2 and CO2. Inhale and exhale. ठीक है? So उस हिसाब से antioxidant plays of combining or giving oxygen molecule to your body. So ultimately वो oxygen molecule ready हो रहे अपने आपके body में. That is how it helps.
So, so antioxidants are important.
Are important. They are important.
And okay. Thank you.
Yes. Shall I go to next slide? So what all to avoid in this COVID situation? You have to remember that outside food is something what you have to restrict. Okay, if you are having non-veg regularly, if you are a non-veg eater, in that case you have to you have to overcook it and have it, or pressure cook it and have it. Don't have it in raw form. Even eggs, try to prepare kind of egg burji या omelette. ऐसे form में अगर खाते हो properly cook किया हुआ, then it is better. And even try to ready to eat food जो होता है, packet food होता है, try to avoid all those things. Yeah, that is it. Yes. Still anybody has any questions? So what to avoid? Avoid बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है in this COVID situation. But then आपको raw food, even raw vegetables खाते वक्त भी you have to make sure कि they are properly washed. Salad form में अगर खाते हो तो, or at least you are peeling it.
I have a problem with my back. I would like to have your permission to leave.
Oh, sure. No problem.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you for attending. Yes. Anyone has any question?
Yeah. Any questions from anyone? For
Somebody
Saili?
asked the recipe for kada. There are many recipes are there available in market also. And there are many combination of herbs available in market. You can go ahead for that. Or there is one recipe what I can suggest is you can add little bit of lime juice, tulsi leaves, neem leaves, mint जो बहुत ही easily available है, ginger, and अपना pepper and clove. So
Okay.
even you can combine that and you can prepare it. Little bit of pinch of haldi in that. That is also okay. You can squeeze lime juice for taste, and you can not jaggery. Then you can go ahead with honey. ये दोनों में से कुछ भी आप use कर सकते हो.
Thank you, Rajiv. Nice arrangement.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Auntie, namaste. Yeah.
Rajiv, this is Ashok Karnik. Thank you very much. Thank you.
How are you, sir?
I'm okay.
Yeah,
I've been now attending most of the webinars.
Yes. And now because of lockdown, I am not able to come and meet you.
That's all right. But I met some of the other people. So I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Thank you
I think
so
you're
much, sir.
doing a wonderful job. All these webinars are very informative and it uplifts our mood. We meet other people. Otherwise, you're stuck at home. I am a widower, so I live alone. So I have to only meet. I live with me, myself, and the four walls.
No, we are there for you.
Yes, I have a good friend also in this group. That is Biresh.
Bireshwar Mitra.
Yes, Biresh Mitra. We are both ex-Philips people.
Okay.
And Mr. Goreja is from. He lives close to me.
Yes.
So very nice. I'm very happy with the way you are conducting this.
Thank you so much, sir.
I hope I covered everything, and I hope you got your answers as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor.
Doctor, you have covered everything very well, and you
Thank
have
you.
given us lots of information in very simple form.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Saili. Thanks. We really enjoyed this session with you. It was, as rightly said by Mr. Karnik, so you gave us all the information, but in exactly the way we would like to hear it or we would like to know it, and making it very simple for us. Thanks a lot. So all the information and the small tips and tricks, if you can put up on WhatsApp, I'll share it with all our members, and
Sure.
and we will again do we'll continue doing such kind of programs jointly between a doctor and you, or individually.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thanks to all our Evexious family members for attending this session. If any question, anything is there, do let us know on the WhatsApp group. We will try to address it from the doctor or from Saili.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a nice evening.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you.
Yes,
Bye.
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Bye.
having.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.